Gregomon with Gregomon Tutorials, and today we're going to be doing, I'm going to be showing you guys how to install custom maps on Left 4 Dead 2. So, you want to download them from GameMaps.com, and for this one we're going to be installing Darkwood Extended. I already went ahead and downloaded it, so I have the file ready to be extracted right here. So, you want to make sure that you extract it, but when you browse, you want to extract it directly into your game file. So mine will be my Steam library, Steam apps, common, and then Left 4 Dead 2, Left 4 Dead 2, add-ons, and it'll go in here. So then you select that folder, it'll extract straight into there. Another way you can find out where that folder is at is you can go to your Steam library, go down to the game itself, and then right click it, properties, and then local files. Oh, hang on. I have all my games on my hard drive. So let's see. To switch that, you switch to account. And then you want to go to library. I know it's in one of these. Downloads, Steam library folders. You can add a new library folder. And from here is where we go to, this is where you want to find your external hard drive. I'm not seeing it though. It should be on here. Oh, here it is. Yeah, we want to do this. And then we go to Steam Library, and we just click on that and select. And we see, yeah, it's right there. Okay, so then now all our games on here should pop up. Okay, so now you can click Properties, and then Local Files, and Browse Local Files. And this will bring you right to it as well. And then you just click on that and add-ons, and it'll bring up all the add-ons that you have in this folder. Okay, so when that's done extracting, I guess we have to start it. Okay, we'll go ahead and let that extract real quick. We could skip that file because it's not important. So next we're going to actually launch the game, and another way you could do that is when you get ready to extract the file. So say you're in here and you're getting ready to extract all, what you could do is you could jump back over here to where your Steam library is at. Which one was it? This one right here. And you can actually right click this and you could copy address as text, and then you can come back over here, delete that out, paste that in, and boom, it'll take you right to it as well. So that's why we open up the local files. So remember, it's we'll take a couple steps through that again. So it's Left 4 Dead 2, properties, local files, browse local files, and then it'll bring you here, and then you click on Left 4 Dead 2 add-ons, and then from there you can right click, copy address as text, and then you take it to the other one where you extract the file from, and you can extract it from there. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and give this a test run. Or you can extract it somewhere else and then transfer it in there. It doesn't matter how you do it. intro stuff. And that was Dead Woods or something like that. Something Woods. I don't remember. I just downloaded it so I can show you guys how to do this. And then we're just going to do single player. And then from here you want to go to add-on campaigns. And there it is, Dark Woods Extended. So then just click on that, click select, and click campaign. We'll just start it out on easy so that way you guys can see it. We'll go ahead and fast forward through all this loading screen. Alright. Run it for a minute. That way you guys can see how it goes. You can see I got some other mods installed as well.
Hey, Lewis, try not to get lost.
So there you have it, guys. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Remember to hit that bell icon as well. That way you can keep up with future tutorials similar to this one and even more in-depth, better videos later on down the road. Thanks again, guys.